Rhonda. Hi, Rebecca. I'm trying to figure out my thing. It's messed up again, so hopefully this will work. I don't know. It's one of those things when let's see, it's just thin. I don't know why. But anyway, I think we can manage. It's now 11 o'clock, and I'm coming to you with my last gift card holder. I'm sorry that this is thin. I don't know why. I can't see the whole area. I just don't get it. But I'm not the only one that's having problems. There are other people having problems too, so I don't feel so bad. But I'm going to show you one more, and here I am putting my hand up, and you can't see my hand. Hi, Diane. You made it. Oh, good. I'm going to show you one more gift card holder, and this will be the last one for the year. I'm trying to get there now. Just trying to get so I can see it. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. As I said, this is going to be the last one for the year. Hi, Yvonne. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. I hope you're all ready for Christmas. I'm not, but I'm going to be working on it today. I've got everything bought. I just have to start wrapping, you know how that is. So I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday. We're going to be kind of low-key this year, which is great. But we will miss part of the family, which is about half of them are going to be here. So I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. So to start out with, I'm going to be showing you how to make this gift card holder. As you can see, I have a Starbucks card, and it fits in really perfectly in here. And then you could also add some candy to it, and or you could put people's names on it and make it a table favor. Put candy in it, and that would be kind of fun too. So now for some reason I can't seem to get it to show. Oh, so I'm going to start. I'm using the sending cheer, and I'm going to put that no peeking. I think that is so cute. And so I'm starting with a 7x7 piece of designer series paper, and this will be perfect for the gift card holder. And so what you do, and I'm going to actually start with the side I want showing here. That's going to be up. So all you do is you fold your paper like this and do a good burnish on it. So you fold your paper like that in a triangle, and then turn it around and come up just to about an inch from the top and fold that. So I'm going to burnish that again real good. And then I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to bring this part in and fold it right there at the bottom. So it's right along that line where the first fold is, and then I'm going to burnish that really good. And then we're going to bring the next side up and do the same thing. So we'll bring that up here, and it'll be right along that edge. And again, I'm going to burnish that really well. And now we bring this down, and I'm adding just a tiny bit of seal right there, just to hold that down. Guess what? That's it. Is that easy or what? So I'm going to put my no peeking on. And of course, now I don't see any. I cleaned my desk off yesterday. Here we go. I'm going to use a couple of dimensionals and put the no peeking So we'll take those backings off, and we'll put that no peeking right there. And then it has to have some bling, you know. So I'm going to use some of the gold, and there's black, gold, and silver. And I'm going to just put those right there. I think I'll use 2 large ones this time, just because it needs a little bit of bling. And that's it. Is that easy? And the gift card goes in just like that. So really, really easy. That would be perfect, Yvonne. That would be just place settings. It's just so easy. And of course, you know, I had to make more. So that's the 7x7 size. This is a 6x6 size. So it's smaller, as you can see, and it's great for candy. So you can do 6x6, 7x7. If you do 6x6, you can get 4 out of 1 piece of Designer Series paper. And then this is the 8x8. So if you want to put lots more candy or whatever, that will work too. So this is 8x8. This is 7x7. This is 6x6. So there's the 3 sizes. And then I made a 7x7 is not holiday. So if you wanted to give a gift card for a birthday, I used the Delightfully Eclectic and the circle sayings for the happy birthday, and stuck some candy in it, of course. And then you could put you could also put your gift card in there. So though I made, you know, I have to make a few. I can't just make 1 or 2. I got to make enough. So anyway, quick and easy. You just come back to the video, if Yvonne, if you're going to make it and watch it. It's, you know, it's really, 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 really simple. And I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. The next week, I will start again on just various cards, and I'll be introducing some of the new products next week. I was able to pre-order because I am a demonstrator, and one of the things that is going to be given as a celebration freebie, if you sign up during January and February, you will get a glass mat, which is something you put on your desk, and it's a glass mat that you can work on, and it comes with a little silicone thing that will fit on it, and you can put your things that you cut out and stuff on that. Plus it comes with a chamois type of thing that will be that will also it's called the glass mat suite. And so you can put your I can't show it to you. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. So I ordered it. I placed the order for the pre-order. It was on, I think it was December 5th, and I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning to place the order because they told us that the glass mats would be limited. So I get up at 2 o'clock, and I placed, my daughter is a demonstrator, and she didn't want to get up at 2 o'clock. So I placed an order for her and ordered her the glass mat. Well, then I placed my own order, and I forgot to order it. I was so sad because they turned it off after so many, and I couldn't order it. But my daughter's going to let me use hers, so I can share it with you next week and show you what will be the incentive to sign up. And I'm not trying to force it, talk anybody into it, but it is kind of a neat thing. And if you wanted to sign up and didn't want to do it, you could just sign up and get that free. So anyway, we will see you next week. Have a wonderful holiday. I hope you all have your family close and that you enjoy being together and have a very relaxing time. That's what we're going to do. It's going to be very relaxing, especially once I get everything wrapped. I'm going to start that today. So have a wonderful holiday again, and I will talk to you later. Merry Christmas.